come underneath, come over, right? Because now I limit my movement. Right? So I come over to open that door. When you kick open the door, I want to pin that door open. Right here, I maintain a little bit of cover with the frame of the car, but this prevents me from doing this stuff and hitting myself. Although it's a little thing, it throws me off a little bit. I may get caught on that. So I pin the door. I can shoot from here, right, as a cover guy while the other guy gets out, or if he's covering, I'm gonna go ahead and break out and make movement to the rear of the car. Okay, so what that looks like for me from here is I break this gun down, it becomes in trail. Okay, so I make my way to the back of the car. Now watch this gun. As it's in trail, instead of me turning into the car and bringing up the gun this way, it's in trail and I just roll into it. Okay, so I'm rolling towards the outside of the car here, maintaining good cover there and engaging targets. Okay, so how this works, one guy will cover while the other moves. Once I am here shooting, the cue or catalyst for you to move is me shooting.
Okay, and then where do I go?
Okay, and you'll come back to the car as well and shoot.
Oh, okay, so once you start shooting from back here,
yes.
Then, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Put the gun out while the door opens, right? Okay, bang, bang, bang. If I start shooting first, move, move, go move, move. All right, I'm shooting, shooting, still shooting. All right, once you begin shooting, I'm gonna come back in here.
Okay.
Roll into it, go bang, bang, bang. Okay.
Here, since I'm right-handed, come out here.
Yes. Yep. Oh, yeah, huh?
Like they swear I put they think I put baby oil on every time I film a video. Not realizing 105 degrees outside. It's called sunscreen, you motherfuckers.
Look at him, he oils up and puts it in slow-mo.
Yeah.
Or speeds up.
Am I against oiling up? I mean, back in my days as a stripper, you know, sometimes you have to do what you have to do to get that extra
I tend not. Attack front! Go, 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 go! Contact front! Moving! Contact front! Contact front!
Nice.
Word. Loading! Yeah.
I think you did.
Zone.
Right now, there's a culture war against the Second Amendment, which is why I need your help spreading our message to counter their message. You can do this by leaving a comment, sharing this video, and click the bell and subscribe button. Let my voice be your voice, and let them know you want to keep America tactical. Because the right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed wasn't a suggestion, it was a directive. Also, if you're wondering where to get your I will not comply, I lost all of my guns in a boating accident, the AR-15 is protected by the Second Amendment, and your state-specific Keep America Tactical shirts, click the links in the description section of this video.